Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a super dynamic Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Download the Muse launcher themes from the Play Store first. And you can get this exact theme setup on your mobile phone. It's actually beautiful and looking so great. You can find the clock widget on the top, followed by the weather and Google search widget. On the bottom you have the dark bar. So the apps are so cool in design wise. It's so looking have a great look on your mobile phone. If you just need a super themed and minimal look launcher, you can just choose this. In the second page you can find a calendar widget on the top, with followed by the code widgets, with the followed by the memory boost widget, followed by some applications. So it's looking, actually the design is so cool. It looking like an iOS jail. And those two pages you have the clocks and everything, and the third page followed by some codes, and also the final page. You can just click on the setting option first and just go to the theme section. Just swipe down and you can find this theme on the theme number 32. Just apply the theme. You can get this exact theme setup on your mobile phone by using this particular launcher, and you can find all the applications are categorized by like this. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.